Hey, what's good guys, it's me, I30, and I'm gonna show you how to download Minecraft Pocket Edition for free on your Android device. And first, you need to go to your settings, and go to security, and go down, and you need to find unknown sources. So after doing that, you need to on unknown sources for your Android device, so you can download Minecraft Pocket Edition. So go back and wait. Go to your browser. So you need to search Aptoide, aptoide.com. And I'm not again. Sorry, Aptoide. Yeah, there we go, aptoide.com. And if you're doing that, you need to install Aptoide. So after installing Aptoide, go to search application and search Minecraft. There we go, Minecraft. And after doing that, go to versions. There you go. Pick only the check so you can know virus or anything. So after doing that, go back and your Minecraft is and